How to fix Messenger video call sound problem. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create Login and Delete, and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if you are not able to hear any sound during a Messenger video call. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Messenger application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Now once you land on your chat page, navigate to top left corner. There you'll find a hamburger icon. Tap on it. This menu bar will pop up in your interface. Now from here again, tap on the settings icon. Once you're on your settings page, scroll down a bit and then tap on notifications and sound. Now on the notifications and sound, the first thing you have to make sure is that the first toggle that says notification on is turned on. If you have turned off the notification, you won't be able to receive any call and you will have a problem in your Messenger video call. So make sure to turn that on. And scroll down a bit, there you'll have a ringtone option. Tap on it, and here make sure that you have one of the ringtone selected. You can go back once again and you can check all of the settings right here and make sure that you have turned on all the notifications. Now once you have done that and still you're having that problem, then what you have to do is go back, tap on settings in your device, tap on apps, tap on see all apps. After that, tap on the search icon from the top right corner and you can simply search for Messenger. Once you get to app info page of Messenger, scroll down a bit and first of all tap on permissions, and here make sure that you have allowed permission to microphone as well as your camera settings. If not, tap on it and allow the permission. After that, go back and tap on storage and cache. From here, tap on clear cache. Sometimes clearing the cache will remove all kind of error or glitches in your application, which might be the cause of your Messenger video call problem. Once you're done with that, go back and check whether your problem is still solved or not. If still not, try to restart your device, press and hold your power button. After that, restart your device and then your problem will get solved. So try out all the solutions and it will help you to fix your Messenger video call sound problem. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.